Great music, great atmosphere, very friendly place. If you have dogs, bring your dogs. They get a snack too.
You gotta bring them next trip.
Yeah. Oh, please. Always get some meat for the dogs too.
Yeah.
This is how we do it. Fresh meat, freshly cut, perfectly marinated, very tasty.
Very tasty.
Grilled onions, also really tasty.
How's it going, everybody? We're here at Simon's Angel Taco in Sedona, Arizona on this food tour. We're able to stop by a street food spot here. Are you the owner?
Well, I'm just the cashier.
Okay.
Manager. He's the owner.
Okay, and your name was?
I'm Brittany.
Brittany. Okay, Brittany, nice to meet you. Let's go over here to the man, right? Simon?
Hi, how you doing?
Hey.
How are you?
All right, so what do we serve here?
Oh, we're making one each taco. We're making chicken, carnitas, and carne asada.
Ah,
and
I see,
also we have al pastor.
All right, so Simon's Angels Tacos in Sedona, best street food taco in town, I would say.
In town, in Cottonwood, Campo Verde.
In Cottonwood, Campo, okay.
And Flagstaff also.
Oh, and Flagstaff. Okay, there you have it, man. And open Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So let's check out some of the cooking process and we'll try some food here at Simon's Angels Tacos tonight. Yeah.
We're gonna start making the corn. This is how we make it. You might need to follow me on this side,
I will
please.
follow you, yes.
So, that's on right here. That's the flaming hot.
Okay.
This is
Flaming
the
hot?
good stuff. Yep.
Oh man. All right.
This is how we do it.
That's how you do it.
Nacho cheese. Some mayo. Not too crazy because we gotta put more.
Yeah.
Lime juice. Parmesan cotija cheese.
There you go.
Little bit of chili powder. Then some hot Cheeto crumbs. And of course, we gotta finish it.
Finish it up. Finish it up.
Sorry for the mess. It's
No.
raining. So.
Yeah.
He said Friday, Saturday, Sunday. We're actually open Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Thursday, Friday, Saturday?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
There you go.
There it is. So a
And
layer of cheese,
nacho
nacho
cheese.
cheese, and then
Little
cup
bit
of
mayonnaise.
mayonnaise, the flaming hot Cheetos,
And here we go. That's the best part.
corn, and the
Yeah,
lamito, the mayo.
Got Parmesan cotija
Parmesan.
cheese. It's mixed. Parmesan with cotija cheese.
Ah,
Chili powder, which
chili
one is
powder.
really tasty, really flavored.
Wow.
Then last, but not the end.
Another end of cheese. Oh,
Check this out.
muy bueno.
That's how we do it.
Yeah.
And of course, cannot be a flaming hot Cheeto without hot Cheetos.
Without the hot Cheetos, just like that. Beautiful. Mucho delicioso. Wow.
Oh, it's amazing. Just wait till you
Try,
taste
try,
it.
try. Oh. It's fantastico.
And here we not cheap on our stuff. We want to make sure everybody's
Everybody
happy.
has the Cheetos, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my
A hot
goodness.
Cheeto without hot Cheetos,
Yeah.
it's not tasty.
That is the one right there.
Here we go. That's the
Oh my goodness.
flaming hot Cheeto.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
That's our number one sales.
Number one.
And besides the tacos.
Besides
everybody
the-
else our tacos.
Wow, that was amazing. He did that on the fly. Just like
Yeah.
created that dish.
Thank you.
Simon.
Please
and-
come visit us. And,
Yeah, absolutely.
and if you don't know where we are, just don't forget to call us.
Yeah, yeah.
273-6124.
You heard it.
Simon
yeah.
Angel Tacos.
Simon's Angel Tacos. We are here at Simon's Angels Tacos, enjoying the night scene, and the food has arrived. And as you can see here, the expertise from Simon making the food. You have just a taco tray. I have to admit, I just had dinner, but I'm gonna attempt to just like bite these here because they look amazing. The grilled onions, the jalapenos, and then the elote. The first thing I'm gonna try is gonna be that elote. Okay, here we go. There's no like proper way to do this but this is the way I do things. It's just kind of take it as it is and kind of go to town. So I'm just gonna try to maneuver, if you can see here, some of that. And I want to try to maximize and get as much as I can, right? I know stuff will fall, but that's okay.
Put it up here if it falls.
Huh? Okay, it'll fall? Okay. You ready? Okay. Oh man. Okay, that looks like a good bite. That look good?
Yeah.
Mountain of Cheetos, cheese, the corn, sour cream. How you doing? All right, here we go. And bite.
Cheese, and then, come on, man. How you doing? Good, good, good. Good, good, good.
Oh wow. That is cheesy. The texture from the hot Cheetos, the corn, the lime, the chilies you added in here, the mayonnaise, the Parmesan, right?
Yeah. Parmesan cotija cheese.
That is just a cheesy, delicious cup full of goodness, man. Wow.
Thank you.
Wow. Man. Woo!
The smile, really.
That's incredible.
Welcome to our
Yeah.
rainy day.
Yeah, welcome to a rainy day in Sedona. Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah, that's incredible. I love it. I love it. I don't want to do too much, but that was just amazing. There's a few tacos here I want to try too as well that he put it on here. You got the asada,
Our carne asada,
carne asada,
cornitas,
Cornitas.
al pastor, and chicken.
and chicken. Okay, you have the quad meat tray here with the grilled onions and the jalapenos. Okay, let's get into that right now. Put some lime on that. All right.
A taco without limes, no a taco, no
Yeah.
a taco.
Yeah. Add them on everything. Okay. Okay. Let's go. What is your favorite?
Pastor.
The pastor. Okay.
Carnita.
I'll go for the al pastor.
Won't say no to homemade salsa.
Yeah, I won't say no.
Okay.
Okay,
So, the trick on this one
Uh huh.
is you open it
Okay.
and then you just pour it. This one is not spicy,
Uh huh.
so you can pour in the camera or whatever.
Oh,
You can
man.
show them.
Yeah, you can show
This
it.
is home,
Yeah.
green, and red.
Okay.
And we keep following our tradition, Mexican style, with
Mexican
our
style?
Ziploc bags. So we don't forget we're from Mexico.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Nice. Gracias. Okay.
Hey, ¿qué onda? Aquí.
All right. So yeah, the spicy option on the pastor. Let's go ahead and go.
Don't forget, we are from Mexico.
Yeah. Okay. Here we go.
Mande.
Homemade salsa. All right, that should be good right there. I gotta stand up for this. Whew. Okay. Al pastor with the hot salsa. Okay.
So,
And
¿qué va a ser?
bite.
¿Carne asada y pollo?
Bro, mouth is full. Whew. Mm. You taste the pineapple in that, the sweetness, the spice, the chunkiness of that meat. Muy buen. Yeah. The cilantro, the onions. Oh, fantastico. Let me chase that with some onions, grilled onions. Yeah. Here the grilled onions. Oh man, wow. Okay. Let's keep maneuvering through this plate. Take a bite of the asada. Okay. Bite. Wow. Yeah. You can't go wrong with the asada. That also is delicious as well. Let me take a bite of the jalapeno. That's a chunky jalapeno piece right here too. Alright, bite. Oh man. Wow. Yeah.
Do you mind to get up a little video of this?
Oh yeah, what is
Look
Oh,
at that.
check it out.
That's the nachos.
Uh-huh.
$1 million nacho right there.
$1 million nacho right there.
Yeah.
Well, you're gonna enjoy that one. We have the carnitas now. Let me just add a little bit of hot sauce in the carnitas. Okay. Just a little bit. Okay. Let me take a bite. Carnitas, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Bite. Oh yeah. 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 These are some amazing street tacos. Yeah. Flavor, chunkiness. You'll definitely get your belly full from here. Until 2 o'clock in the morning, right? Until 2 in the morning. Woo!
So we literally just ate a lot, but here we go. Okay, guys. What is this place called?
Simon's Angel Tacos.
Simon's Angel Tacos. Here we go. Look at that chunky.
Yeah. Yeah. Muy buena.
Excelentemente.
Excelentemente.
Chicken, the pollo is very juicy.
Yeah.
See?
Juicy. Nice pan fried taco. That's right, Simon.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I don't think I've ever in my life even heard of Flamin' Hot Cheetos and elote. That's unique.
Oh, don't forget the napkin.
Oh,
Thank you.
Good.
Takis,
Tacos.
corn.
Oh man. Look at that.
Throw it up. Excuse me.
Okay.
Mayonnaise.
Yeah.
Not too crazy so people can enjoy it. Parmesan cotija cheese.
Wow.
Chili power. Little bit of lime juice.
And the cheese. Incredible.
And then really simple.
Lemon. Yeah. Yeah, that looks amazing.
That's it.
That's
That's
it right
that's takis.
Nice.
Taki elote. And you can add meat on it too.
Yeah, I mean they got some genius stuff here, man. That's a takis. And you've seen it there. I'm kind of maxed out. I can't go for that. I'm maxed out, but again, the rendition, the style, the uniqueness of it. Big thanks to Simon and to Brittany. If you want something Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, and Sunday, right? No Sunday. So Thursday, Friday, Saturday, say. Check them out. If you've seen it on here, let them know you saw it on this channel. Guys, Simon, Brittany, thank you so much.
Thank you.
All right.
See you tomorrow.
See ya.